Today I'm going to show you how to fold the box that holds Barbara Murray's Sound Stories 4-book set. This is the completed box. This is what it looks like when it's finished. The box comes flat packed. The first thing you need to do is fold it open. To do that, you take the long end, slide your fingers very carefully in and pushing up gently where there is the fold, create the squared box. Pushing back and forth carefully where the folds are, the folded lines are, in order to open the box up. The next thing you do is turn it around and you have the base. At the base you have one side with two long tabs, one side with a long central tab and two short tabs, and a little tab at each end. The first side you need to fold in is the side with the two little tabs and the long central tab. So that needs to be folded in carefully, following the line of the fold all the way into the box. If you're struggling to get it to go in, the box is not completely square and you just need to adjust it until it will go in. Push it all the way down, folding it along the line. The next thing you need to do is fold in the two little end tabs. They just get pushed in carefully until they click. And then finally, you push in the side with the two long tabs. And they just, again, fold along the line and push in very carefully until they click into the spaces that are there for them. And you are done.